Hey, has this ever happened to you before? My name is Steve, founder of ELEV8 Glass, and I'm excited to announce our new Phoenix Oath Glass Replacement Plan, or GRP. With this amazing plan, if you ever break your piece of ELEV8 glass, we will replace it for half the cost for as long as we exist. When you purchase a new piece of ELEV8 glass featuring collaborations between our American artists and our stable of foreign artisans, you're not just buying a smoking apparatus. Packed with perks like high-quality durable glass, innovative design, and affordable price, you're buying peace of mind knowing that your glass will last and last. But for a small fee, we've got you covered on your piece of beautiful ELEV8 glass, should anything ever happen to it for life. For more information about this revolutionary new glass replacement plan, visit phoenixoath.com.